नमस्कार। भारतीय सेना की एक यूनिट में आर्मी क्लोथिंग का घोटाला हुआ है। इसके बाद कोर्ट ऑफ इंक्वायरी हुई और कोर्ट मार्शल की कार्यवाही हुई है। कोर्ट मार्शल की कार्यवाही का मामला हाई कोर्ट पहुंचा, जहां सभी 9 अधिकारियों और जवानों के खिलाफ कोर्ट मार्शल का मामला चल रहा है। इस मामले में जो ऑफिसर इंचार्ज है वो एक सेना की लेडी मेजर है। इस लेडी मेजर ने जब रिस्पोंडेंट की ओर से पैरवी की तो जज साहब ने भी माना कि हाँ, बहस हो तो ऐसी हो। अब आप देखें यह शानदार बहस।
This matter, there is no problem. Officer in charge can always argue a matter, but your counsel should be properly briefed. यहाँ ऐसा नहीं है कि उठ के आए और फाइल यहीं खोली और यहीं शुरू हो गए. Then I'll have to observe certain things about the conduct, because that amounts to wastage of the court's time. Where is that order? Where is the reference to the order dated this 6th April 20?
He joined.
विक्रम जी, आपकी तैयारी आजकल क्या है? पढ़ नहीं पाते क्या? टाइम नहीं मिलता? ज्यादा केस हो गए हैं।
नहीं, it's not that.
तो पढ़ते क्यों नहीं है आप?
It's not that, because that date of joining is not there, because it has not been the issue in this petition.
You should have been prepared. आपकी मैडम ने 2 बार टाइम लिया सिनॉप्सिस बनाने के लिए. Now you reply my queries. Your lawyer is not.
It has been at page 19 also.
Annexure बताइए, पेज से कुछ नहीं होगा.
Also it is there.
या तो कंप्यूटर से बहस करिए, कंप्यूटर के पेज नंबर बताते जाइए. आप लोग क्या टेक्नोलॉजी से इतने ज्यादा डाइवोर्स्ड हैं? अरे ऐसा ही लगता है, इतने महीने होगा आप आज तक टेक्नोलॉजी का यूज नहीं सीख पाए.
I will try also.
क्या इसके लिए भी आर्मी लगेगी क्या टेक्नोलॉजी सिखाने के लिए?
उसके लिए जरूरत नहीं है, आर्मी की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी सर. Also may kindly come to page 19, that is annexure R1 also.
R1.
Yes. Proceeding has been initiated against.
It has been attached to you, RTU.
Yes.
Where is? तो आप ब्रीफ करिए, आप पीछे से खड़े होकर मत बताइए.
Yes.
Your counsel should be properly briefed. If your counsel is not properly briefed, then I'll not hear you.
RTU will also be attached.
counsel को पहले ब्रीफ करते नहीं करते हैं? कहाँ अटैचमेंट हुआ है इनका?
In Jabal.
आपसे नहीं पूछ रहे मैडम, वकील साहब को बताइए, नहीं तो you remove him, you argue, I'll permit you to argue, and I'll say that आपका शुभ नाम लिख के that you have discharged your counsel, you will argue the matter. I'll permit you to argue this matter. There is no problem. Officer in charge can always argue a matter, but your counsel should be properly briefed. यहाँ ऐसा नहीं है कि उठ के आए और फाइल यहीं खोली और यहीं शुरू हो गए. Then I'll have to observe certain things about the conduct, because that amounts to wastage of the court's time. Where is that order?
Attachment order also.
I don't know. You're
Yes.
referring to clause A of the relief sought.
It is there at page 15 in the original writ petition also.
Annexure
P1,
P1.
page 15.
You are Mr. Mukesh Shrivastava.
Yes, Lord.
हाँ. विक्रम जी, आपकी तैयारी आजकल क्या है? पढ़ नहीं पाते क्या? टाइम नहीं मिलता?
It's not that.
ज्यादा केस हो गए हैं.
नहीं, it's not that.
तो पढ़ते क्यों नहीं है आप?
It's not that also, because that date of joining is not there, because it has not been the issue in this petition.
You should have been prepared. आपकी मैडम ने 2 बार टाइम लिया सिनॉप्सिस बनाने के लिए.
Joining का period. 6/4/2023, Lord.
6/4 को तो he was directed to be attached.
Yes.
Then he joined on the same date.
Within a week's time, he moved.
When did he moved? I'm asking you the date when he moved.
The Lordship, according to the rules, the moment we get a movement order, we have certain days to join from the said location, get there.
He joined. He obeyed this order.
He came here, yes.
Now you reply my queries. Your lawyer is not prepared. You answer it. Then this attachment annexure P1 was for a particular purpose, attached to units mentioned against each for further disciplinary proceedings under the provisions of Army Instructions 30/1986 with immediate effect till finalization of disciplinary case. When was the disciplinary case finalized?
Your Lordship, if I may submit a few things before you to appreciate the sequence of event
जी
properly.
बताइए.
Your
आप
Lordship,
बैठिए, विक्रम साहब आप बैठिए.
Yes, yes.
जी बैठ जाइए.
Your Lordship, in army, when some disciplinary proceedings are ordered, that is done after a fact-finding investigation into the subject.
Right.
So whenever we get the knowledge that something has happened which may amount to an offense, we ordered something called a court of inquiry, which is akin to a police investigation, roughly, and it is a fact-finding body. That where the case is adjourned for the purpose of having the evidence reduced to writing.
Writing लिखा हुआ है
Sir, वो typographical error
पर
probably.
भी कोर्ट मार्शल चलता है क्या? चलिए
In writing, we adjourned hearing of evidence of the witness who were present and gave evidence before the commanding officer. What we are saying is that I have quoted one Supreme Court judgment, Your Lordship, in the synopsis.
later on.
Yes.
Judgment
So,
comes later on. First
of course.
facts.
Okay, I will explain, sir.
Don't try to behave like a lawyer.
No, sir.
Judgment bombard कर दिया, facts का कोई पता ही नहीं है.
No, sir. I'll tell you the facts, sir.
जी.
So, when the surprise check was done, then we did a
When
court
was
of...
it done? When was it done?
Your Lordship, in the synopsis, if you may please see.
Where is the synopsis?
Your Lordship, I've filed a synopsis further to the directions of the court. Lordship, I just have one submission. Your Lordship, we have not dwelt in details of the facts for one reason.
No. Sorry.
One reason.
No, no.
I will present it if the Honorable Court
I'm
orders.
asking you. You'll have to present it.
Of course, Your Lordship.
Where is
I
it?
will.
Where is
Sir,
it?
right now I don't have the.
Bring it. That
Yes,
don't
Your
waste time. Bring it.
Yes, Your Lordship,
Bring
I
it.
will.
लिखिएगा. Unknown persons. हाँ बोलिए.
There is one suppression, my lord.
बोलिए. हाँ.
Actually, after
इनका
the
लिख लें उसके बाद में आपका लिखते हैं क्या लिखा? देखते हैं.
column number, my lord, page 5 onwards it starts.
देखते हैं.
Your Lordship, if I may just bring something to your notice.
Facts आ रहे कोई.
Of course.
I'm not deciding the case.
No, because you mentioned that I have suppressed this fact. That is why I just want to point out one thing.
You are not supposed to react to everything.
Of course.
Page 5 onwards, my lord. That I have mentioned a chart, my lord.
आप लोगों के बारे में नाम आ गए थे ना कि किसने गलती की है.
Yes, my lord.
Your Lordship, at the level of
आपको दे रहे हैं, मौका देंगे आपको. कोई अभी कंक्लूड थोड़ा करना.
Yes, sir.
दिस इज देयर कंटेंशन.
Yes, Your Lordship.
इस कोर्ट में तो आपका कोर्ट मार्शल चलेगा नहीं.
Yes, Your Lordship.
उनको भी कहने का मौका देंगे
Of
हम.
course.
और जो कहेंगे उसको आप रिबट करिएगा.
Yes, Your Lordship.
ठीक है. I require complete transparency in the matter.
Yes, Your Lordship.
क्या लिखा? 350. कब ले आएंगी आप?
Your Lordship, can I seek one permission? Your Lordship, the 20th March 23 order, February 23 order, the directions of GOC. Your Lordship, because the trial has not commenced, the petitioner is not entitled to that copy.
Yeah,
in the scheme of that.
नहीं.
May I produce it in a sealed cover is what I would like to.
ठीक है. मे बी प्रोड्यूस इन सील कवर कर दीजिए. सील कवर. यस. ले आइए इसको.
So all the three orders, Your Lordship,
the-
I'll produce in sealed cover. If 10 days time, maybe please grant it to me.
जी ठीक है. Miss Major Mohitama prays for and is granted 10 days time to do the needful. List this case on. Fifth March 2020.
Because he is now required here and his family is settled at Jamnagar.
इनको जाने दीजिए ना. आप तो पर्याप्त हैं बहस करने के लिए.
Your Lordship, he is attached here and he can seek leave as per permissible. He's been granted leave on number of occasions. I've pointed that out.
बोलिए.
Grant of leave is not a viable option. Because last year I have cooperated with the complete proceedings. I was here for 9 months. Thereafter I availed my full leave. Since the year end
But still, unless they
Your Honor,
bring your attachment to an end, you can only seek leave. You cannot seek movement from one place to another unless this court decides that the inquiry has not been completed within the prescribed time limit as given in section 122 1C. Then till then there cannot be any order of movement to the unit.
Your Honor, my summary of evidence, whatever was to be taken, finished on September, Your Honor.
ठीक है
I am
चलिए.
here attached since then with no productive gainful attachment.
ठीक है. Are you being paid your salary or not?
I am being paid.
And you are getting your allowances too?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then be happy. List on 5th March.
Right, Your Lordship.
देखी आपने शानदार बहस. यह कोर्ट मार्शल का मामला अभी भी मध्य प्रदेश हाई कोर्ट में चल रहा है, जहां सेना के एक लेफ्टिनेंट कर्नल को जज साहब ने कहा आपको तनख्वाह और भत्ते मिल रहे हैं ना, तो खुश रहो. वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक और शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. जय हिंद.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel and enjoy watching the videos.